This how to 1 minute will show you how to fix a 400 bad request error for WordPress. So if you're facing this error, the first thing you can do is you have to clear your browsing cache and cookies. Open your browser and click on this three dot. Click on settings. Here click on privacy and security and click on clear browsing data, and here select browsing history and must check these cookies and other set data option and click on clear data, and after quickly doing it, try to reopen the website and check the issue. And the second thing you can do is you can turn off all of your browser extensions. To do it, open your browser and click on this three dot and click on extensions and click on manage extensions, and here all you have to need just disable all of your extensions one by one and then check the issue. And the last thing you can do is go to your desktop, click on this search icon and type here cmd and open command prompt, and now we will flush our DNS. To do that, type this command ip-config/flush DNS and hit enter. And after quickly doing it, restart your computer and try to reopen the website and check the error. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.